Even though having a bad hair day once in a while is fairly common, we still cringe when it happens. Without your hair in place, everything does seem a little odd, even if you're wearing your favorite clothing, that red flaming lipstick, or your best pair of heels, or maybe the best pair of suit that you have. While eating healthily and adhering to a good hair care routine are some ways to prevent bad hair day, there is still no assurance that you won't experience them occasionally. Therefore, having a few tips and tricks at your disposal is always helpful because dealing with a bad hair day is apparently inevitable. Your hair's appearance after drying will also depend on how you wash it and how frequently you do it. In addition to leaving your hair dry and brittle, daily hair washing also drains the scalp of its natural hair oils, which can result in dandruff or excessive sebum production. This may also result in thinner hair in the future. So avoid washing your hair more than 2 to 3 times a week. Yes, we are aware of how calming hot showers are. This is among the most frequent causes of bad hair days, which affect a lot of people quite frequently. Hot water over dries your hair by opening up the cuticles, robbing it of its natural moisture. If you want to keep your hair fresh and frizz-free daily, then you also should maintain a healthy hair care timetable. This would not only keep your hair healthy, but also help you prevent that bad hair day as well. Watch our video to formulate the hair care routine or the hair care timetable that suits your needs and your hairstyle. That is linked in the above and in the description below. Before we move further into the video, a sub to the channel would be mind-blowing, guys. And yes, do not forget to hit that like button and encourage us to post such content. Let's get going. Frizz is a problem that anyone who lives in a hot, humid area will be all acquainted with. The monsoon season makes this issue worse because the air is more humid and makes hair frizzy and drab. Moreover, if you're exposing your hair to continuous drizzles, it can weigh your hair down and flatten it as well, causing it to look flat and dry. So the pro tip here is use a dry shampoo which helps your hair look fresh and stylish without the need to wash it. The vitamins and nutrients that you require for a healthy body, including your hair, are all provided by the food you eat. However, eating packaged, fried and sugary foods on a regular basis, drinking a lot of alcohol and binging on junk food can all make your hair appear lifeless and dull. So please start having a healthy diet. And to know more about the diet that is necessary for you to have healthier hair, watch our video 8 foods to have healthier hair that is linked in the above and in the description below. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe to the Hair.Dudes channel for knowing more about your hair and to know such hair hacks.